From the lush rainforests of South America to the arid deserts of North America, snakes have captivated humanity for millennia. Their sleek bodies, mesmerizing movements and captivating gaze evoke a sense of awe and wonder. Thinking about getting a pet snake? Whether you're a first-time owner or a reptile enthusiast, choosing the right snake is crucial. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best pet snakes that are easy to care for, docile, and absolutely stunning. Let's slither right in. At number 5, we have the corn snake, one of the most beloved snake species in the world. Native to the southeastern United States, the corn snake is renowned for its docile temperament and stunning colors. These non-venomous constrictors reach 3 to 5 feet, making them manageable for all snake keepers. Corn snakes are tolerant of handling, perfect for first-time owners and families. They thrive in simple terrariums with a heat source. Their diet consists of easily obtained frozen rodents. They exhibit a variety of colors and patterns, ranging from vibrant oranges and reds to cool grays and browns. Whether you are a seasoned reptile enthusiast or a curious newcomer, the corn snake is an exceptional choice for a pet. Their gentle disposition and captivating beauty make them a true treasure. Coming in at number 4 is the ball python, a snake renowned for its placid temperament and fascinating defensive behavior. Native to sub-Saharan Africa, the ball python is a non-venomous constrictor. When threatened, they curl into a tight ball, tucking their head inside their coils. This unique behavior is a testament to their peaceful nature. Ball pythons exhibit a vast array of colors and patterns known as morphs. From classic black and brown to vibrant yellows and oranges, there is a ball python morph to captivate every eye. They thrive in a simple terrarium environment with a heat source and a water dish. Their diet consists primarily of rodents. For those seeking a calm, captivating and low-maintenance reptilian companion, the ball python is an exceptional choice. Claiming the 3rd spot on our list is the Rosy boa, a diminutive yet delightful snake species native to the southwestern United States and northwestern Mexico. Known for their docile temperament, manageable size and striking beauty, Rosy boas have become increasingly popular as pets. These gentle snakes typically reach an adult length of only 2 to 3 feet, making them one of the smallest boa species in existence. Their diminutive stature also makes them easier to handle and care for, requiring less space and resources than larger snake species. Rosy boas are extremely tolerant of handling, rarely biting or displaying aggression. Their scales shimmer with iridescent hues of pink, brown and grey, creating a mesmerizing display of color and pattern. They thrive in a simple terrarium environment with a heat source, a hide box and a water dish. Their diet consists primarily of rodents, which should be offered frozen and thawed. For those seeking a small, gentle and visually stunning reptilian companion, the Rosy boa is an exceptional choice indeed. Slithering into the 2nd place spot is the Western Hognose snake, a charismatic and comical reptile native to the western United States and Canada. Known for their upturned snouts, dramatic defensive displays and manageable size, Western Hognose snakes have captured the hearts of reptile enthusiasts worldwide. Their distinctive upturned snout gives them a perpetually inquisitive expression. When threatened, they inflate their bodies, flatten their necks, hiss loudly and strike repeatedly, mimicking the behavior of venomous snakes. However, these dramatic displays are all bark and no bite, as Western Hognose snakes are non-venomous and harmless to humans. They rarely bite and become accustomed to human interaction with regular handling. Their small size, typically reaching an adult length of only 1 to 2 feet, makes them easy to manage and care for. They thrive in a simple terrarium environment with a heat source, a hide box and a water dish. For those seeking a small, entertaining and relatively low-maintenance reptilian companion, the Western Hognose snake is an exceptional choice indeed. And finally, claiming the throne as our number 1 pick is the California king snake. a regal and intelligent reptile native to the western United States and northwestern Mexico. Celebrated for their striking beauty, docile temperament and adaptability, California king snakes have earned their place as one of the most popular pet snakes in the world. Their scales shimmer with vibrant hues of black, white, yellow, red and orange, creating a mesmerizing tapestry of natural beauty. California king snakes are incredibly tolerant of handling, rarely biting or displaying any aggression. They thrive in a variety of habitats, from arid deserts to grasslands and woodlands, making them a versatile pet for keepers of all experience levels. They require a simple terrarium environment with a heat source, a hide box and a water dish. They are enthusiastic feeders and readily accept a diet of rodents in captivity. For those seeking a stunning, intelligent and relatively low-maintenance reptilian companion, the California king snake is an exceptional choice. Their captivating beauty, docile temperament, adaptability and ease of care make them a true gem of the snake world. And there you have it, the top 5 best pet snakes for beginners and experts. From the gentle corn snake to the theatrical Western Hognose snake, these remarkable reptiles offer a unique and rewarding companionship for those willing to embrace the wonders of the snake world. Snakes make fascinating and rewarding pets, but remember, always do your research before bringing one home. Ensure you can provide the proper care, environment and enrichment for your chosen species. Responsible pet ownership ensures a happy and healthy life for both you and your scaly companion. Which snake was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing animal content. See you next time.